Successful maintenance means striking the right balance between maximum reliability and minimum downtime. Efficient maintenance is being proactive with fewer on-site checkups, improving protection while reducing repairs, maintaining assets for longer with shorter time to apply. Smart maintenance is based on keen knowledge of anti-corrosion, years of research and experience in challenging environments, a deep understanding of facilities in downstream oil and gas, finding new solutions that are tried and tested, and local best practice with global performance. Successful maintenance needs coding intelligence, advanced technologies to extend the lifetime of your assets with lower impact on health and environment. Efficient processes to maximize performance while shortening turnaround times and eliminating unplanned shutdowns. Proactive partnerships with global specialists to optimize individual maintenance strategies. Coding intelligence. International.